It's delicious, it's delicious, it's delicious, baby. It's delicious, it's delicious, it's delicious, baby. It's delicious, baby. Hi, guys. Welcome to my cooking show. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe. Hi, guys. Today we'll be making garlic butter crab legs. Now here I have my crab legs and shrimp. Now let's get into the video where I'll show you step by step how to make your garlic butter crab. Okay, here I have my pot with water. Let your water come to a boil. Add your celery, bay leaf, green onion, garlic, and scotch bonnet pepper. Then you can go ahead and add some adobo to your water. Yes, you're going to season that water. If you don't have adobo, you can go ahead and add your salt. Now I'm adding my corn. After I add all my corn, I'm going to go ahead and add my potatoes. Now here I'm adding my potatoes. Yes, guys, everything that you need in your crab legs, you should pre-cook it at this point. After I add my potatoes, I'm gonna go ahead and add my crab legs. I'm gonna put in all my crab legs. If you need to put eggs also, you can put it at this point or boil it separately. After adding all my crab legs and everything that I need to pre-cook, I'm gonna go ahead and cover it and let it boil for like 25 minutes. Okay guys, now I'm adding my lemon. It's important to cook your crab legs with lemon. So now I'm gonna just make sure the water is covering everything that is in the pot. Then I'm gonna put the lid on it and let it cook. Then I'm gonna come back and show you the next step. Okay, so meanwhile my crab legs and all my stuff is cooking, I'm gonna go ahead and peel my garlic. Because this is garlic butter crab leg, you have to put a lot of garlic in it. So I'm just gonna peel all my garlic. Then I'm gonna chop my garlic. However, if you don't have the fresh garlic, you can go ahead and use the minced garlic. Guys, garlic powder is not what you need to make garlic butter crab leg. You have to have the fresh garlic. So here I'm just chopping my garlic. I'm giving it a rough chop. I need my garlic to be small. Like you have to chop your garlic really small. Then I'm gonna go ahead and put on my skillet. If you don't have a skillet, just use any pan of your choice. Add your butter to your skillet. Make sure your heat is not too high, guys. You don't want the butter to burn, or you don't want your garlic to burn. So after I add my butter, I'm going to go ahead and add 1 cup of garlic. Guys, I think I just add like 3 tablespoons of butter. Now I'm adding my garlic. After I add my garlic, I'm going to go ahead and stir with my spoon until my garlic and my butter is infused. Should look something like this. As I said, you don't want it to burn. Then I'm gonna go ahead and add my shrimp. I put my shrimp in first because it's not pre-cooked. This is my uncooked shrimp. Use uncooked shrimp, guys. It's better and you get more flavor from the shrimp. Then I season my shrimp with my everyday seasoning. After I add my everyday seasoning, I went in with some garlic powder. At this point, you can use your garlic powder, guys. I use my garlic powder. So you gotta use your garlic powder with your fresh garlic, not just the garlic powder alone. You won't get the taste you're looking for. After I put my garlic powder, I'm gonna go ahead and cook my shrimp. Here I'm adding in some black pepper. Sorry guys, I add black pepper also. Then I'm gonna go ahead and stir my shrimp in the pot. All that butter and garlic is all up in that shrimp right now. This is gonna taste so good. Now here I'm just flipping my shrimp so it cook on both sides. Now that my shrimp is cooked, your shrimp normally cook in 5 minutes, I'm gonna go ahead and add all my crab legs. Yes guys, you're gonna get all that garlic butter in your crab legs. Make sure your stove is on low heat at this point because your garlic will easily burn. Now here I'm adding all my crab legs. Guys, make sure you use a pot that can, a pot or a skillet, whatever you're using, make sure it has enough space so you can flip and stir your crab meat around to let all that garlic butter saturate in your crab meat. Now you can go ahead and add your corn. Here I'm adding in my corn. I love corn, guys, so I made a lot. After adding in my corn, I'm just gonna go ahead and add my potatoes. I don't like the potatoes, so I didn't do a lot of potato. As you can see, I did only 3 potatoes. Then I'm gonna go ahead and add my beans. I love to put beans in it because it tastes so good. You can try it like this. Then I went in with some onion. I roughly sliced my onion just to give it a little flavor. You don't have to put any onion in it, and you don't have to put any beans in it either, but it just gives it a beautiful color. Now I'm stirring everything in that butter. I'm gonna let that crab meat take up all that butter. So here I'm just stirring. I'm using 2 forks, guys, because one wasn't working. Now here I made my extra sweet garlic butter sauce. Now I'm just pouring all that goodness over my crab legs because you want it to be nice and juicy. You don't want to be eating your crab legs and there's nothing, no sauce. Now I'm just putting my dry parsley. If you don't have dry parsley, guys, you don't have to use it. It just makes your dish looks beautiful. Now look at that, guys. Look at that beauty. Mm-mm-mm. I promise you, you're gonna love this dish. It tastes so good. Now here I'm gonna go ahead and plate my crab leg for you guys to see how beautiful that is. Look at that, guys. Just look at that beauty. I use snow crab legs. You can use any crab of your choice. Look at that beauty, guys. Always make your food look beautiful in your plate, guys. Even if you're not hungry, just by looking at it, you're ready to eat. Now I'm just putting in my shrimp. I'm gonna love these shrimp. I'm gonna enjoy these shrimp. They are so big. I just love me some big shrimps. If the shrimp is not big, please don't give it to me. Mm-mm-mm. You can see all the juice in this shrimp. I'm so sorry, guys, you're not here to taste it with me. I would love for everyone to taste this dish. Make it in your kitchen today. Now here is my finished dish, guys. Here I'm adding the sauce all over it to make it juicy and nice. I hope you enjoy this dish, guys. Try it in your kitchen today. Okay, guys. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye.